Hello folks, Wes here from B&B Audioconcepts, and what do we have today? We have this beautiful Transit Custom VR46 Edition, Limited Edition. Customer watched our video on the tracker that we did the other day and said, let me have that. Then we started talking and he decided to go for a full-on system using an Alpine 11-inch Hertz speakers, X-Fire amplifier, X-Fire subwoofer, soundproofing, and a Meta S5 deadlock. So came in for a little thing, went for everything. Let me show you what we've done. Okay, first things first, we've added the Meta S5 deadlock. I won't do a full video because just previous video will show you the whole thing working. So he's got full immobilization and tracking. On top of that, we've done speakers, so new tweeters, new mids, and there's an amplifier and subwoofer fitted as well, which I'll show you in a sec. Here's the Alpine 11-inch stereo, so Apple CarPlay. Customer's request was that he had sat nav and a reverse cam, but he wanted it all on the big screen. So bit of a mission, but it works on the original. We may be able to piggyback it to this and keep the moving guidelines working. So that was lovely with the sensor display. So yeah, overall pretty good. Kept all his steering controls, and let me show you the subwoofer, which is here, and then the amplifier there. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.